How to hide tokens without balance on Metamask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide tokens without balance on Metamask fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Metamask, go to the top corner right here, and then go to settings. After you go to your settings right here, just you need to go down and turn on this one. Now the tokens without balance are hidden, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end.